Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all students, good morning. How are you today? May we all be given help. Meet again with Miss Dwi Intan Maharani. Today, we will learn about procedural material. All students, listen to our lesson today, okay? As for learning objective, number 1, talk video displays, students can identify procedural text well. Number 2, talk question and answer activities, students can explain procedural text correctly. And number 3, talk group activities, students can create a procedural text for an activity correctly. The first definition of procedural text. Procedure text is a text that contains how to make or do something. This procedure text is needed as a guide for someone in making or composing something. Okay, next, purpose of procedural text. The purpose of a procedural text is to provide instruction to readers about the step in sequence in carrying out an activity or completing something. In addition, procedural text also makes it easier for reader to know the right way to do something and provide clear instruction to get maximum result. Okay, next, features of procedural text. Number 1, use short and clear command sentence. And number 2, there is a step-by-step guide. And number 3, use active verb. And number 4, using conjunction to sequence activities. Number 5, loading the necessary tools and material. And number 6, loading the sequential state of activities. Okay, next, procedural text structure. Number 1, title. The title in a procedural text is interpreted as the activity or action that will be carried out. Number 2, objective. Objectives are the final result that the author of the procedural text want to achieve. The inclusion of objective in a procedural text is not mandatory, but it will be better if the objective were given under the title. Number 3, tools and material. This second contains the tools and material needed in an activity. Tools and material may or may not be present. Procedural text structure. Number 4, step. Steps are the main part of a procedural text. Therefore, it must be written correctly. And secondly, steps include the method that must be taken to achieve the goal. Number 5, closing. The closing contains conclusion or recommendation, apples or application for things that have been successfully done. The closing is present but might not be there. Okay, next, language rules for procedural text. Number 1, in procedural text, sentence can be imperative, declarative, or interrogative. Number 2, in procedural text, the conjunction used are divided into conditional conjunction and temporal conjunction. Number 3, in procedural text, numeria is a number word used to sequence steps such as first, second, third, and so on. Number 4, in procedural text, pronouns are used to replace people or objects based on their form of replacing people of object. Number 5, in the text of the procedure, verba used in the form of verba material and behavioral verb. Okay, next, type of procedural text. Number 1, simple procedural text. Simple procedural text only contain 2 or 3 steps. For example, procedure of operating a television, how to open WA, how to open Instagram, and others. Number 2, complex procedural text. Complex procedural text consists of many steps and level for each step. For example, how to fill out the school form, how to make avocado juice, how to extend a fields registration certificate, how to make a driving license card of the others. Example of procedural text. How to make avocado juice. Objective: avocado juice is a drink that many people like because it tastes delicious and fresh. Avocado juice can be combined with sweetness, concentrate, milk, and sugar, so that it has an even more delicious taste. To make it, the method is easy and the ingredients used are easy to get. Follow this step. Tools and material. Tools: 1 blender, 2 spoon, 3 glass. And materials: 1 medium size avocado, 2 boiled water ice cup, 3 sweetness concentrate, 4 milk, 5 granulated sugar as needed. Okay, next step 1. Prepare the sugar water first. Number 2. Cut the avocado, then take out the seeds, then scoop out the avocado fresh until it is gone. And 3. Put the avocado fresh into a blender along with the sugar, water, and ice cup, then blend until smooth. Number 4. Prepare a glass and add condensed milk to the walls of the glass. Number 5. When it's finished blending, pour it into the prepared glass. Number 6. Avocado juice is ready to drink. And then closing. Closing. Easy, right? Avocado juice will taste better if drink cold and fresh. Okay, all students, so that the student understand better, let's watch the animation video with the procedural text. How to make fried noodles.
Make fried noodles. Prepare a pack of fried noodles. Open the packaging of fried noodles. Inside there are noodles. There is soy sauce in oil, seasoning, and also fried onions. Then we boil the noodle first. Pour water in the pan. Then turn on the stove. Wait until the water boils. If it's boiling, then boil the noodles. Wait until the noodles are cooked. While waiting for the noodles to cook, open the fried noodle seasoning. Open the fried onions. And don't forget to stir the noodles until they are evenly cooked. If the noodles are cooked, then turn off the stove. Then put the noodles on a plate. Then stir the noodles until the noodles combine with the spice. And that's it. The fried noodles are ready to be served. Good luck trying them.
Well, it's very interesting, is not it, students? That was our lesson regarding procedural text. See you in the next lesson. Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.